Welcome, welcome, welcome. Now we have the grand finale of all the demo days here in Nigeria. We have 3 candidates and they are going to be pitching their businesses.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as I welcome the first candidate, Mr. Brown.
My name is Brown Mike Kebo. I'm a media entrepreneur, but for this purpose, I'll call myself a laughter entrepreneur. I started A2100 journey. I'd already started a vision, a TV dream, but I knew I wasn't doing the right thing. I wasn't operating in my maximum capacity because I love to make people laugh. So I created the organization. I called it the Funny Channel.
I was pushing the Africa2100 entrepreneurship dream, which was most especially to be able to distinguish my IT hardware business from the rest in Abuja. The mission for Hardtech Solutions is to be able to provide genuine IT hardwares in a business environment where there are a lot of refurbished hardwares, as well as to be able to protect the network security of these hardwares. The problem we are trying to solve is loss of trust for organizations like us providing IT hardwares, and to be able to secure these networks in order to provide continuity for business.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Damilola of DIA. I'm a fashion designer. So I started drawing when I was young, and then while I was in school, I would sketch out styles for my friends to give to their tailors to make for them. So after school, I decided to pursue fashion designing. So as you can see, what I ordered versus what I got, that is where DIA Design comes in. We want to solve the problem of getting what you don't order for. So what we want to do is to help sociable women, fashionable women, infuse their sketched imagination into their styles. We are offering a customized service at a reasonable price to meet our customer needs.